today I'm going to be making some no glue slime with my sister Abby.
And my sister Lily.
And what you will need is
some cornstarch and yogurt. But if that doesn't work, you can use some baking soda and lotion. And if you want, you can add some food coloring and some sprinkles. And of course, you'll need a bowl and a spoon.
Yeah. Okay, so how to make it. So you're going to need 2 spoons of Greek yogurt.
Or more if you would like, but we're just going to add 2.
For the starting.
Okay. And then you can add whatever kind of food color you want in it. This is very fun.
Yes. Here, can I have some?
Yeah, I'm going to use some pink too.
Okay.
Wait,
and then you stir it to make the color. I'm going to add a little tiny bit more.
This is going to be a lot of slime. Hopefully it works out. Because we're...
we don't know if this is going to work out or not.
And it's a no glue slime. Just we forgot.
Yeah. Okay. And then, when you're done mixing, you can add some cornstarch in it. And then just mix it up. Then just keep on adding more until it works, until it comes together. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of lotion because I think it will need some.
Same as me.
And then maybe a tad bit of baking soda too. And you only need a tiny bit of baking soda. You never want to put
too much.
Yeah.
I'm not even close to done mixing it. I think I'm gonna put a little bit more teal in.
Yeah, can you do that to mine too? And then you just add more cornstarch.
Cause mine's like blue, not teal.
Yeah, mine's teal.
Okay, this is taking a long time. I'm not even close to. I'm not even done mixing my cornstarch.
Neither am I. Well, it takes patience.
Yep. This is very fun. And we haven't done this in a while, so we're very excited.
Yes.
And this is hard to mix. This is the first time for us doing a no glue slime.
Yeah. Because every slime we've made has been with glue. Yeah.
So
yeah. This is missing. And it might be a little, there might be a big mess when they're done.
Yeah.
You can just clean it up. Just keep adding things until you think your slime is good. I think I'm going to add a little bit more Greek yogurt.
Yeah, I think I am too.
I don't think it has enough.
Hopefully this works out because we just wasted some ingredients.
Yeah, that would have been it. This hopefully will not be a waste. Need to add more cornstarch.
Yeah, same as me. Because it's like not that. Thanks.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna need a tad bit more. Yours is turning out good. Look at mine.
Thanks. Yours is good too.
I love this color. Actually.
This is my favorite color. My favorite color is actually sea green. It's like an aqua color. But my second favorite color is teal.
And at the end, you can add some sprinkles. I think I put a little this much in, but whatever, because I want it to be really good.
Yeah. I'm gonna add some more cornstarch. Ooh, yours is turning out good.
I have a lot. I think I put a little too much yogurt in.
I'm gonna put more yogurt and some more lotion. This might not work out,
Yeah.
but I'm really, really hoping it does.
This is kind of a workout because, like,
You have to
without
stir it so
glue-
much. And you have to stir it so much too.
Yeah.
Ooh, yours is pretty color.
I like yours too.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna see. Do you like the music?
Yeah, jazzy.
I'm gonna add a little bit of sprinkles. See how it is.
I don't think I am. Well, just tell me if it's good or not.
I'm putting lots of sprinkles in.
Woo! That's cool.
I'm the sprinkle girl.
I guess so. Save some for me, because I might want some.
No, I'm using all of it, so too bad.
What?
Just kidding.
Okay. Wow, it's a lot. Maybe you should mix it up before you add any more.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
Ah!
What?
I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay.
Whoa, this is turning out very good.
Yeah, look at mine. It's like chunky. Ooh, yours is good. I'm gonna add more.
Wait, let me feel yours. Oh my goodness, yours is good. I think I need to add a little bit more.
Cornstarch or baking soda. The baking soda actually helps it form.
Well, I'm adding all this.
Wow.
I
A little bit more
thing.
baking soda.
I'm gonna need some more sprinkles.
And I really hope this works out.
Yeah, same with me because I just
If it
wasted all these
doesn't,
sprinkles.
then that would just been that would have just
Well,
been.
if it doesn't work out, I'm
bacon.
still gonna make my hands messy. Oopsies. Oh well, it can still look. I feel like I'm making like. It feels like we're baking something, not actually like making slime.
Yeah.
This isn't really slime.
It's just like a different kind.
Yeah,
of
it's like a
slime.
cloudy slime.
Because like one time we made this cloudy slime, but it did have glue in it. Well, it had shampoo.
Come on, work.
And it didn't really work out. Because it was cool, but then it just dried out.
You can take these things off, you know.
Okay, I think I'm going to put some sprinkles too. Just
I'm
a
putting
tad
more
bit though.
I need lots and lots of sprinkles for me.
Go ahead.
I think I'm gonna add all of this.
This is taking a lot longer than I thought. And then when it starts to form, you can start kneading it together. And hopefully it'll work.
Sorry about that distraction. My little sister's trying to talk while the video is going, so I'm trying to make her be quiet. I'm gonna keep on adding sprinkles and sprinkles and sprinkles. I'm the sprinkle girl.
I want to add more sprinkles.
I'm adding all the pink.
Are you sure? Here, put some in mine. Put some sprinkles in mine. Yeah, that's good. I'm not adding any more.
I'm adding way more.
You definitely are the sprinkle girl.
That's what they call me.
Unless other people put like the whole entire
Yeah, like
thing.
JoJo Siwa, she puts tons of sprinkles in. I wish I had glitter. Maybe we should have put glitter, not sprinkles.
Whatever. I think the sprinkles actually look pretty in mine. I'm just gonna keep adding more.
I love tons of sparkles and sprinkles. Sprinkles and sparkles are the best. So if I had a big thing like this big, I'd put it all in here. And it would all just be that. I think I'm gonna add all this.
Are you sure? Whoa. Okay.
Yeah, I just added all of that, guys.
And when you add the sprinkles, it makes like lines of like whatever color it is. It makes
Oh,
it
yours is
colorful.
cool.
Thanks. Now I'm gonna add more baking soda and make it form.
I'm gonna go get some more sprinkles.
Okay.
So I'll be right back.
Okay. Alrighty, my slime is pretty much turning out, but it's like frosting, kind of. I don't know if this is gonna turn out. I'm gonna put more cornstarch in. A lot more. Well, I hope this works out. This would just been a big waste of stuff and supplies. Oh, I really hope. Yeah. It's starting to work out. Like, see, that's what it looks like, and it feels like... I think I should start kneading it together pretty soon. I just wish it was more unsticky. So I need to add more cornstarch. Just keep on adding and adding things until it works out.
Okay, guys, I'm back. I wish there was more sprinkles because mine's like not that good. I'm trying to add as much sprinkles as I can.
Here, how about you add more cornstarch? Just a little bit more. That's a lot of sprinkles. Ooh,
No, it's not. No, give me that. I'm just kidding, guys. We don't use all of it.
I know. You use all the pink, so. Ooh, you used all the yellow too. You really love sprinkles. Wait, where's the? You used all the rainbow. You used all of them.
I think I'm gonna use all these guys.
Whatever. I'm not a sprinkle girl, so.
I used all of them. Ah!
Now I'm gonna start kneading mine together.
Sprinkles left.
I'm gonna start kneading.
We can use these for the dolls.
So it will work out. But I might need to add a tiny bit of water in it so it will start forming because every time it's just so sticky. I just wish there was more.
I wish I had more sprinkles. Mine
I'm
looks
gonna add more
horrible.
cornstarch.
I need more sprinkles. Okay, I used all these sprinkles, so I'll put them on the side.
Oof. This is fun,
Yeah,
but my arm's getting tired.
yeah, mine is too.
Oh well.
Sorry, I was just trying to play. This is taking a very long time. I don't think we're allowed to YouTube this long. Just kidding, we are. I'm not sure actually. I don't know why I was saying that.
I need more baking soda.
I'm trying to experiment.
Are you sure you can do that?
Yeah, I'm sure.
She's adding some different kind of paint. Ooh.
Aha! I love it.
What in the?
I think this is good.
Ooh, a sky blue. I think I'm gonna try this.
I want to use that after you.
Oh boy, you really made that dirty. I don't need that much.
This is amazing.
I hope that doesn't ruin my
They call me
color.
a funny girl, so yeah.
Man, I wish there was more sprinkles, Abby.
What? Oh, I don't know.
So far, it's not really working out.
Okay, so I used all these sprinkles that were full.
But when you think it's okay, start kneading it together. That's what I'm gonna start doing.
What? Look at mine. Yours is mine's horrible.
You gotta add more cornstarch, I'm guessing. This is kind of like the cloudy kind of slime,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. Like we made this slime called cloudy. Mine's actually turning out. Like it's nice, I guess.
I'm putting this whole thing of cornstarch in, guys.
Are you sure? Here, can you add some more to mine?
No, yours doesn't need it anymore.
Yes, it does.
Oh no, I just ruined my favorite pants.
To help it form.
Oopsies, I got food coloring all over it.
Oh my goodness.
Don't worry, hopefully it washes off.
I really hope this works out. So far, it's not really looking like slime.
Mine's horrible, guys. I wish you guys could come here and see this. It's just bad, man.
Wait, I'm gonna see if it's clinky. Oh, hear that?
Yours is amazing. It smells like cake, kind of. It smells good. It
Smells
smells like yogurt.
It smells weird, I think. It smells like baking soda because I put baking soda in.
A little bit more. I keep on adding things.
Yes.
Mine's a dark blue color.
I need to add more cornstarch. I kind of want this to be like clay. This is kind of like clay. So if you make this, it's not really going to be like slime, but it's a different kind. So yeah.
Okay,
Oh my goodness,
guys, I think I'm gonna ruin this because I just added the worst color.
Oh my goodness, look at my hand. It's like all just like crazy. Oh my goodness, Abby, look.
Oh, it's horrible.
It's so sticky.
Yeah, guys.
This might not work out.
Yeah.
Well, we had fun
I'm gonna add a
experimenting.
teeny bit more of.
Just keep adding things. Here, can you put some lotion?
This is heavy, guys. It's like 10 pounds. Oh man, that's like 10 pounds right there.
That's why you're not supposed to put that much baking soda because it makes it heavy. Well, that's a lot.
Yeah, mine's just. I'm gonna keep on. Go get shaving cream.
We're asking my sister to get shaving cream.
Ah! Look at this. It's baking. Oh, no.
Here, put that chunk in mine. Or not. But mine is a really pretty color. Just look at that. And it's like, I guess it's cool, but it's not sticky enough, I think. I wonder what time it is.
I'm gonna check what time it is.
Okay. You can hear them.
What?
Oh. Abigail.
It doesn't show what time it is on there, so I'm just bad.
I keep adding things. I don't know if this is gonna work out.
Yeah, me neither. I'm gonna add some more cornstarch.
I think I need to add more cornstarch. I just keep adding. The most thing I put in this is cornstarch.
The most thing I put in is sprinkles.
And what's crazy is that we used yogurt.
Mine doesn't even show any sprinkles.
Oh my goodness, mine's like dough. It's like putting flour in dough. Oh my goodness, this is like not working out.
Okay, guys. If I were you, I would not really do this at home.
But if you think you like this kind of slime, go for it.
This is like the worst slime ever.
Oh yes, I've never made slime like this. Like it's not really working out. I think I need to keep on adding more cornstarch. I want it to be like that cloudy slime I made before.
Oh, yuck!
Oh my goodness, yours is like so chunky now.
Look at this, guys. Mine is, it's so sticky.
Mine is sticky too.
Mine's like Play-Doh, guys. I think this.
Mine's is like Play-Doh
I think
too.
you just made Play-Doh.
Yeah, it's like
Yeah,
Play-Doh.
this is Play-Doh, not slime.
Well, it's like Play-Doh slimy-ish, kind of. Because it's sticky, but at the same time like Play-Doh. It's like Play-Doh, but at the same time sticky. So. What? What's so funny?
She's taking my doll away from me.
Huh? I can't understand you, Abby.
I made a big mess.
Bro, look at this, but it's so fun to stretch.
What?
Like, I guess it's okay.
Horrible.
It's not that bad, but...
Mine is horrible. Lily!
What? Let me feel it. This is okay. Oh my, your slime accidentally got on my slime. Oh well. It'll make a darker color, I guess.
Well, guys, this experiment did not work out.
I think I still like it, though.
I do not like mine. I like yours, but mine... Oh, no.
I keep adding more cornstarch. I just like it. I do like
Okay,
Play-Doh,
so this is enough for this video. We had a fun time, and
I hope you liked the video.
And make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below.
Bye! And comment down below which one... 3, 2, 1.
Bye!
Bye!